Today we will be showing you how to disable the beeping feature on our Latch.it door lock. Stick around to the end of the video to receive a discount promo code for this keypad right from Latch.it. Go ahead and remove the 4 screws in the back of the keypad. Also, don't be alarmed, these aren't my real hands. The first step is to unclip the harness. This will remove the power completely. Carefully unscrew the small green circuit board. Then with pliers, pull out the top red cable. This is the first cable on the top left. Keep in mind that if you decide to enable this feature again, you will still have the option to do so. All you'll need to do is reconnect the red cable back in. Next, clip the harness back together and test the buttons. At this point, there should be no beeping, but the keypad should light up and door lock should engage. Unclip the harness one more time before putting the circuit board back in its place. We are using a small piece of electrical tape to protect the loose connection before putting the keypad back together. Now you're ready to install the keypad in your RV. We have already done so I'll go ahead and link the video below. This modification is not Latch.it approved and may void your warranty. This is something we figured out on our very own to remove the loud beeping. However, they are working towards incorporating this feature in future models. We purchased this product directly from Latch.it and did not receive any special discounts for this review. After reaching out, they offered our viewers $30 off of this product. Be sure to add the promo code FIRESIDE at checkout to receive your discount.
Psst. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.